Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Secret. So in today's reviews, there's a new cloud at to be launched. It's called Traffico. Right? So basically, Traffico is a way how we can actually tap into these videos, YouTube videos. Means this is not the normal video, but the video with very high views. And high search in this YouTube channel, right? So how we can actually develop on all these high volumes of the high search high view videos can actually use simple software and with some trainings come together how we can actually make use of also the Facebook, how we can actually enhance a Facebook profile to make your Facebook a lead magnet also. This is the first training. The second training is there's an app that come along with this Traffico. You can actually use this app to find the high views or high those video that have the highest search or highest view on the YouTube channel, and how you can actually legally steal all this video and make upload of the video, and you can actually use it to extract a lot of visitors using this video. So have a look into this. This is a sales page of this. Is case study show how exploit an unknown loophole by clicking a secret link to unlock the hidden content, right? Okay, new software generated by traffic in 30-minute address, right? Okay, so this is about a traffic product, right? It's a they have a training and about how you can actually use your get free traffic from this YouTube and also the Facebook. So it's 100% legal. One can set up a new software, monetize traffic on autopilot siphon, feed traffic from one of the world's larger website, right? So here is talking about the Facebook and also the YouTube and a brand new method. Okay, right? So this is a sales page. There's some earning testimonial here how you can actually tap into this same method. It's going to show you, and this guy is Frankie's and he's the one who will be actually show you both the technique how we can actually siphon feed traffic from this Facebook, and also there's an app that come together. The app is how we can actually siphon actually we use people's video to become your lead magnet to grow your visitor, things like that, right? So have a look into my review page here, and here is a Traffico review and bonus 100% free traffic and siphon free traffic, and with this I've actually prepared a lot of bonuses, right? Okay, Traffico, right? I think this one-time price of $17. You're getting 2 pack of inside this product. One is there's a series of video training course teach you how to get free traffic using your YouTube, this Facebook profile, how you can actually sharpen your Facebook profile to actually to get free traffic. And the second part is software, how you can actually tap into the other people's YouTube video to get free traffic. So it's basically what you do, right? So this is have a look into this what are the front end Traffico front end. This is $17 is a Frankie's way of generating free traffic by using the slicky Facebook trick. Is also video training marketing software. Then we ensure the maximum. So there's a 2 part here. This Frankie's way of how you can use Facebook trick, and also the video marketing software. Okay, everything 2-in-1 is $17. Unlimited edition. This is a removal or registration of the Traffico software. Come with a free member area. It is a full power of our exclusive software of one time of fees on the web. Unlimited search, unlimited lead. So they can actually unlist, they can have unlimited search, lead income using the video marketing software. And Gold edition is Over the shoulders video training, advanced tip and trick also. Learn from you. This is get your hand on Frankie's best high converting campaign, copy and paste, right? And also unlimited traffic, and get unlimited traffic by placing your FB, Google Pixel on all our page together. A huge retargeting audience. Okay, they have advanced trainings for all traffic sources. Right? Again, this is still a Traffico and sell it as an online. This is the seller license also, and profit brush of this real done with you system. Okay, like call with one of our team member. Right? Okay, so this VIP's manders access to some of the recent special digital product. Right? Bankroll and certify and demo. Okay, at one time no cost. This is a bundle of their previous software Traffico. So this is no risk to you, 100% money back guarantee, right? So this is inside this, sorry, there's a long spelling here, it should be Traffico. So this is incense bonus of, I put together incense bonuses for this Trafficos. If you get find any on the OTO, you are actually entitled to get my two very special bonus line for your money. This you can actually use it to grow your, don't have to crack your head to actually to grow your this, right? Okay, you can from the day one you can actually make use of this. And so on product ultimate marketing kits run for you marketing to sell on product and service online. You don't have to pay high cost to the freelancer to write you sales page, landing page, launch email, etc. But you can actually tap into this my bonuses to get you all this marketing sales content. Okay, again, Traffico is about getting you a lot of traffic, and I have also bundled a lot of bonuses to get you help you get a lot of traffic. And Traffic Cloud is a direct free traffic from top 3 social media giants in 3 simple clicks. It's a cloud app by itself, and it could be one is something will be on par with the Traffico, or it could be able to complement what Traffico is offered to you. But okay, exclusive 2,800 memo email 100 subject headline. This is again one of my exclusive bonuses. I'm giving to you my email shop 100 keyword headline. You can use it to get high converting for email marketing. Also, free traffic method you don't know, and top 6 pay underground traffic source, and Twitter traffic app, and we have this Instagram traffic app. So we have this Twitter traffic app also, and all this traffic app ultimately is to get a lot buyer audience traffic to make sales for different promotion. Social is a social media marketing tools on cloud app. Okay, you can actually auto pause schedule social media post video. Bible giveaway is 250 video, right? You can use it for different way of content. This other light audio widget, you are creating some audio track. You can actually make use of this to get your audio track for your video. And so this building training, we have the free solo app, and we have the YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO, my YouTube trick, how to get you high ranking video, and also channel and high ticket system, how to make high ticket commission selling high ticket product. Super affiliate software funnel. This is my 3 other best affiliate software you can resell and give 100% on the profit. And 50 SEO2 on the cloud app, you can actually use the SEO2 to optimize your SEO for your website or your blog, and product launch at how to get the best of your product launch. Email search, how to boost your email open, and create the 250 funnel kit. Is great about like the kit funnel is going to help to create a funnel, sales funnel easily with a few clicks, and also video creation app and one traffic cloud app, affiliate store builder, and we have the trading how to sell, make money on a without selling, and 100 giveaway. This is all OBU if you take fast action today and work out vendor bonuses also. And I have also bundles 10 more exclusive bonuses you will not find in other place here, and exclusive bonus one YouTube view case study, and how to find a close high paying client via the trade. A secret exposure dominate YouTube without show in your face or your voice, and 10,000 6,000 lead case study, and personal branding blueprint, storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit, and we have the buyer trigger, and also Facebook app secret advanced scaling. Everything you'll be getting for the price of $17, right? So if you pick any of the OTO together with the fund, you're going to get my first and also second special bonuses. Everything you'll be getting for the $17. It's a lot of cloud app here, a lot of traffic app here, a lot of about how you can actually rank your YouTube video and channel, and all these cloud app ultimately is to get you more and more sales and more profit. So definitely I have the best bonus bundle for you. Okay, right. So the first session today, click the link below this video, come to my review page and grab all my bonuses, right? Okay, so before I end today's presentation, to quickly go through to these Trafficos here. And Traffico, there are two parts here. The first part in the Traffico is about, there's a video training course. I have put together a few video training courses that teach you how to actually set up your profile, Facebook profile, making your Facebook cover with Canva, right? And also how to actually make a Facebook post and how to make money using all these Facebook posts. Also, so Frankie is going to show you his case study, how he have done this and managed to get a lot of free traffic outside of by actually having a proper cover with the Canva, by having a good profile set up with the Facebook, and also how to make money with that. And second, the last part of the training here is a software demo. It's a software that comes together with this Traffico, as I told you. It is called so-called a videos profit. Right? So in this video profits, what it do here is okay. First thing is what it do is you can actually go to YouTube channel and paste the YouTube URL here, video URL here. You can actually find the video. Okay, so once you find the video, you can actually edit the video. You can actually delete the portion of the video and modify the videos, add the text, everything. Right? Let me actually quickly show to you how exactly all these things work. Have a video for the YouTube, then we understand what does it mean here. Right? Okay, so that have take a look into this one, for example. Right? I'm just using this as an example here, so you can copy and paste it into this URL and just find the video. Click find the video, right? Okay, you find the video, just edit the video. Okay, you can edit the video here using the video editor, right? You can come together with the video editor and you can actually manipulate or also make you use the video for your own traffic, generating the traffic from you using all this video here. Right? Okay, so that's basically what it means here. Right? So it's a little bit slow because this is a demo version here. Okay, so have a look into this video also. So this is what I show you. Download the video and video editor also. Okay, so they have a look here also. Okay, so it's taking a bit longer time for this demo version, but I think the idea is that this one you can find any videos from the YouTube channel, right? And you can edit the video. It is a video editor. You can add in the text, and you can change. Also, you can also extract a part of the video to become your own video, and you can automatically make use of this video to upload to the YouTube channel again, or can make use it to actually share it to the social media to get you a lot of traffic. So that's basically there's a video editor come together. Probably just have a look into the sample here I have here in this sample. Okay. Okay, so a little bit slow. So it's a video editor. Okay, this is a little bit slow. Let me show you from this demo video here what exactly how this whole thing work. Okay, have a look into here. So what you can do is you can see this is a sample. Let's say you have a sample of this video, right? So you can actually this is one of the video about funny cat, right? So you can actually extract the video here. Okay, so you go to the tools here, right? Okay, just copy the link of the video, go to the tool. Okay, so you can actually go to the video shoot, right? So go to the download video, you can actually paste it in, and you can start pasting the video. Then you can do search, find the video, then the edit button will come out. Okay, so you can edit the button. Okay, you can edit the video, right? Okay, so you can trim or upload the video accordingly, right? Okay, you can trim the video. This editor will come along. Okay, you can see you can add text, you can add custom GIF image inside also. Then you can save it again to become your own video, right? Add the shape, circle or square. Okay, text, can insert text here also, right? With the different font. Also, then you can actually add the GIF or image to this video, right? So this is basically the idea here. You can actually repurpose the video to become real by actually adding a text or GIF image file. Then you can actually you can download the video and share it across to the different social media or sources to get you different view, a lot of view and traffic. Because the best thing is you are actually repurpose a video which have a lot of visitor and view, and you can again make you the same video to get you a lot of view, visitors, things like that. So that's basically the idea here. Two part here. Remember here, there's a video training that show you how we can actually make use of your profile. Okay, this is the one how we can actually make a Facebook cover with Canva, how we can actually set up the proper profile setup, and also how to make money using this your Facebook profile. It's a free traffic, it's a very targeted traffic, and the software demo will show you how we can actually use the software. So the software is over here. So it's a two-in-one, two-part into one product for $17. And the best part, you're going to get all five motorcycles together, and all this is going to help you to take your business to the next level. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.